What do you guys think of my Sunbeam coffee maker? Yep, you got it. It was for free. This thing seems to be intact. No cracks on the bottom. Looks completely clean, except for there's a little bit of coffee grind in it. But that's no problem. I can clean that out. The platter doesn't look too bad. It's a little bit rusted. A little bit rusted around the side, but not too bad. Oh, that's okay. The only problem with this coffee maker is it would only fill up to half a pot, and then it would stop completely. So I gotta get this thing apart and see what's wrong with it. Okay, after a couple minutes I finally got the top off. Now there's some screws rattling around in here. Well, there's one screw. Where did the other one go? It's a little bit clogged down there, like a little plunger-like thingy that releases the coffee. Looks pretty clogged. Okay, so that... Damn it, I keep dropping my screws everywhere. I'm pretty sure I don't have a worthless coffee maker without the screws. There's one. There's the other. Okay, well, let's see if this tube is all clogged up. I don't know, can you guys see at the very end of that? Because I can. Yep, she's clear. Ugh, coffee tasted. Ugh, it's gross. And another screw fell out. I'll pick that one up and then put that one down somewhere. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to take this flappy thing off and see if that's clogged up with anything. Okay, so I couldn't get the little spout thingy off, but got some new Q-tips, and all I do is I just wet them with water, and I turn them around so that way they are very, very skinny and they can just go right in the hole and clean it out. Ow, that was my hand that just cracked. Not much gunk coming out of that one. Weird. Oh yeah, I kind of cheated a little. I put this thing in some water just to clear it out. So probably most of the gunk that was in it probably fell out during the wash. But as it looks like it, there might be no gunk inside it, so I think the coffee maker will work again. If it doesn't, then great, I guess it's garbage. As I do have a coffee maker here. It's a white one, but to be honest, it doesn't really keep the water hot. A little bit of gunk on there, crunchy and hard. Yeah, I can hear some stuff peeling off in there. Yep, there's some there. Just gotta wipe it off and then put it in again, see if I get more. That weird whistling noise is my nose. Sorry about that, folks. I think I got it all out. I think so. I'm just going to put it in water again and hopefully I get what's left out of there. Okay, with a little bit of wiggling I finally got it off. Now I can get down there a little bit more deeper and see if there's anything else in there. As you do know, like with blocked tubes, the steam, which is the water, doesn't come out properly. So with a little bit of trying in there, got a little bit of black stuff. Okay, so I'm going to blow through these tubes and then sanitize it. There. I have some sanitizing stuff upstairs. And I'll just put this in some water and then, well, not into water, but in the sanitizing chemicals, and it will also break off the white crap and stuff like this. As for that tube, where it was just sitting on, it just slided right off. Stick another Q-tip in there. Well, stick a Q-tip down there and see if I pull any victims out. Not much. I wonder if this coffee maker will work properly now that I've gotten some of the crap out of it. Oh, we're getting some stuff coming out now. Great. Okay. So now I'm going to take this to the sink and I'm going to rinse the whole thing out. Put that little sticky thing in some sanitizing water or chemicals or whatever you want to call it, and then put this thing back together and try to test run it by putting water inside.